Hey everyone, my name is Jobii, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make next year your year with intentional goal setting. During this time, getting organized might feel really scary and overwhelming, especially when you're trying to wrap up your current goals and get through the holiday season. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a really simple way to map out your goals, to organize your life, and create habits that will actually stick. All right, let's get started. So let's start by imagining how you want your year to look. Visualize what activities you're doing, what your ideal day looks like, how you want to feel, and what you want to create. Brain dump everything you want to organize and categorize these into the respective areas of your life. So here I'm identifying the commonality between my goals and categorizing them by topic. The four main categories that I have are mental health, physical health, finances, and professional development. Write down how these spaces feel now or what you're experiencing, and then write down how you want them to feel in the new year. This helps you understand your why behind these goals because it showcases a starting point for where you are now and where you want to be. Even if you don't actively work on organizing a section, defining what you want from a space or an area of your life is still powerful in itself. It will still signal to your subconscious that these are the things that I want to work on and how I want to feel. All in all, it's still a really great habit to write down your goals. An important part of making your habits actually stick is ensuring that your goals are specific and manageable for your lifestyle. For example, an unspecific goal would be, I want to work out more. To make it more specific, make sure to add a metric or a deadline. So a better and more specific goal would be, I want to work out 4 times a week for 6 months. To do this, we're going to create mind maps that will help break down your goal into steps. First, prioritize the top areas you want to start with and the ones that you think will make the biggest impact on your life. Now make a mind map for each area and what you need to do in your space. For each mind map, try to brainstorm small steps that you can realistically tackle and implement in your life. Don't feel pressure to have huge milestones for each goal if you don't have time or energy to reach it. Remember that these mind maps are here for you to see how these goals will fit into your life. If you want to take these mind maps even further, set timelines or deadlines for each step and put them into your planner so that you know you'll make time for them. Finally, add in deadlines to check in on your mind map. You can even add these to your monthly reflection routine so that it becomes a habit to check in with yourself. All those steps might seem like a lot to do, but remember that you don't have to reorganize your entire life overnight. Setting up new spaces, creating new habits, and organizing can take a lot of time, so don't feel pressured to do all of these steps in one day. I feel like our society pressures us so much to hustle and get things going so quickly, but when you start to shift your mindset to focus on the steps rather than the outcome, it allows you to really become more intentional and present. And finally, don't forget to celebrate yourself every now and then. Set up affirmations or ways to celebrate when you mark off your different steps. Even just writing "I did it" can be more powerful than you think. So I really hope those tips help you feel equipped to take on the new year and make it the best one yet. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Passion Planner's YouTube channel for more tips like this one. Wishing you the best, most intentional year yet. I hope that you follow your internal compass and find joy in the journey. See you next time.